Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 17, and this will be from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. And now we're going to be looking at our fourth part from our advanced part list. And yeah, this one you guys also might remember from our intermediate parts that we have covered it. But yeah, this will be part number 17, but a more advanced version. So if I had to click on part 17 here, we can see we've got 5 different values we can set. I'm just going to go here to the preview. So we can see we've got our A, which is our overall width of the shape. Then we have B, which is the height. We've got some roundings there where the two shapes join, so this rectangle and the circle. And then what we do, we have the actual circle, which is O, it's the diameter, and then we've got the cutout circle, which is D, it's the center one. So let me just go here, let's go about 400 for our overall width. For our height, I'm going to go 200, go about half of that. And then next up, let's instead of our rounding, let's first make our circle so we get an idea of it. So we're going to go to O, and then what I'm going to do is make this one maybe about 150. Then the rounding here, I'm going to make about 25, keep it quite subtle. And the inner circle, yeah, let's go about, I think about 75 will do it. So let's just quickly preview this. I'm going to leave the name the same. And okay, it's giving us a problem with the actual B. And it says the B is too big. I think it's too big. So let's up this one. We can take our O to 200. And then we take our B to 150. Say, okay, here we go. Now we've got a preview. Now to me personally, I think we can maybe make the A slightly bigger. I mean, sorry, the O. So the circle. So let's go make this one about 300, and then the inner circle I want to make even bigger, so let's go 200. But look at that. Okay, it's a bit better, but no means our sample here. I think for our sample we'll have to scale down both the circles and then maybe even A, which is the overall width. But I'm just going to keep this like this for the sample, so I'm going to go add 1 and then say add. Now let's add this to our actual canvas or our cutting plate. So yeah, let me put it on the bottom so it fits a little bit more snug. But yeah, that is it on P17. It's a rather simple shape actually from advanced shapes. Later on you guys are going to see we covering some shapes with many different values or options. But yeah, that is it on P17. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.